Hey everyone, Dylan at Clearbridge here. Today I'm going to show you really quickly how to convert Google Drive documents into PDFs. It's really easy. We're going to cover 3 different types of files and how you can really easily convert them into PDFs. So if you're ready, let's get into it. Okay, for our first example, we're going to use a Google Doc, which is Google's version of Microsoft Word. So in this file, I want to convert it into a PDF and then send it out. So there's a few ways I can do that. The first way is I go up to the menu here and I click File and I choose Download. From Download, I choose PDF Document. So all I have to do is click Download PDF Document and that file gets downloaded right to my computer. On the bottom of the screen, you'll see it right there. You can click it open and it'll open in your tab, and it's also going to be in your Downloads folder on your computer. So another easy way that you can save a file as PDF is actually if you hit Control P or you go to your menu and click File Print, that'll bring up your print preview window. And on the right here where it says destination, right now I've got it set to my printer, but if I click that drop down, there's an option where I can save it as a PDF. So I just select that and I'll get a quick print preview or a PDF preview of my document on the left side here, and then I can configure my other settings as I would if I was going to print something. Once you hit save, the document will download to your folder and you'll be all set. So if you have a spreadsheet that you need to convert into a PDF using Google Sheets, which is Google's version of Excel, essentially, it's very similar to converting a document into a PDF. So all we have to do is go to our File menu and we choose Download. And from Download, we choose PDF Document. Now that'll open up another window that looks like your print settings window when you go to print a spreadsheet. However, here we're just going to be downloading it. So you can configure your settings here, whether you want to export the current sheet or selected cells, your paper size, and your orientation, and so on. Once you've got that all configured, all you do is click this button, Export, and your file will download to your Downloads folder just like in the previous example. There's one other way you can convert a spreadsheet into a PDF that's really easy. All you have to do is go to File, Print, or Control P, and this is going to be a similar screen that you just saw in the last example, but instead of having an Export button up here, we have a Next button. So you configure your settings on this screen, and you click Next, and then that'll bring up the print preview window where you choose Save as PDF as your destination and not your printer, and you hit Save, and the file will download onto a folder of your choice on your computer. Now let's say we have a slides presentation, which is Google's version of PowerPoint, and we want to print out those PDFs for the meeting. It's really easy. It's very similar to what we just saw with Google Sheets and Google Docs. Now you've got your presentation open. You can do exactly like you did before and just click File, Download As, and choose PDF Document. Now what that does, it takes your whole presentation as is and downloads it onto your Downloads folder on your computer. If you just wanted to print out a select range of pages, you can customize this by simply going File, Print, or Control P, and there your print preview window will open up and you can actually choose your page range. So you can omit your cover page or any pages in your presentation that you don't want or people don't need to see. So you can customize those ranges, and once you're done, just make sure your destination is set to save as PDF and not your printer. And then you hit save, and then that file will download onto your computer at the destination of your choosing. So that's it. That's how you convert files to PDFs from Google Drive. I hope that was helpful and you learned something. Please leave any questions or comments down below and we'll try to get to them as we can. Or you can always reach out to us anytime with any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next tutorial video.